Sinenkinga entsha lalela i-Iran ikhiphe umsebenzi and abantu base-Iran badonate bonke towards umsebenzi. Sanibonani, ngiye ngizokuthiwa the truth shall set you free. So lalela mntu omnyama, bathi abantu base-Iran bazonika anyone ozokwazi ukuqhweba uDonald Trump, bazomnika u-$40 million. Uphumile umsebenzi. Let's go back asibuyele emuva to the very beginning. Understand ukuthi January 2020 a senior Iranian military commander was unalived in a US drone strike, and then i-Iran responda ngokuthumela ama-missiles, but i-Iranians are sure ukuthi kuleyo US base no one was unalived. Ngiyawubona umehluko. Understand ukuthi they also made a promise i-Iran ukuthi i-revenge will be served long and calculated. And so within weeks, i-Iranian media announced kubantu ukuthi sine donation campaign. Fast forward a few years and a few months, i-Iran busy donate, and then allegedly khona someone owabona umsebenzi ngoba umsebenzi ukhishiwe, and then wayesezama ukwenza umsebenzi, but unfortunately wahluleka. We all remember that, angithi? And then immediately after that happened, they did an investigation. Kule investigation, base find out ukuthi yile nsizwa that did umsebenzi, right? Allegedly. And then what they told us, ukuthi le nsizwa was working alone. Ukuthi he was motivated by the idea yokuthi akamthandi President Trump. That's what they told us, right? Hlakanipha-ke mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi the fund reportedly raised over $20 million in the first year. Yes, contribution came from ey'ndaweni ey'ningi, small public donations from abantu amalungu omphakathi, community members. Yes, large anonymous transfers exceeding u-500,000 from abantu abahlala in other countries. Yes, understand ukuthi roughly 70% of the donors were domestic, abantu abahlala lapho, and estimated 30% came from abantu from other continents, other communities. Indawo ey'fana njenge-Iraq, i-Lebanon, i-Syria, Europe, everyone is helping out ekutheni ukuthi kwenziwe lo msebenzi. Understand, because of isitha, Iran's inflation rate is sitting at 40 to 50% njengamanje. I-currency yase-Iran devaluated, yehlile by over 80%. Understand ukuthi it is estimated ukuthi ama-sanctions abawatholile, ama-losses since 2010 are sitting at 150 to 200 billion because of isitha. Isitha siyapanika right now. They've been doing press release, they've been doing interviews, they have been trying their best ukuthi benze i-Iran icishe lo msebenzi before everyone emhlabeni knows about it. They want to fix lento without amehlo emedia, without abantu finding out, because they think ukuthi wonke umuntu uzofuna ukusiza, afakwe omncane ekutheni ukuthi umsebenzi wenzeke. Hlakanipha mntu omnyama and understand ukuthi everyone across the world is helping out, bayafaka because allegedly bayafuna ukuthi yenzeke lo msebenzi. Understand ukuthi there is a 42% spike in small dollar crypto donations enzekalayo as of 2026, and new wallet addresses linked to unknown proxies all across the world alokhe yavuka. Wonke umuntu ufuna ukufaka imali via i-Bitcoin, via i-digital currency, and a sudden inflow of $3.8 million usuvele waqhamuka within 72 hours, and njengamanje kusolwa ukuthi there is an amount of about 32 to 40 million to anyone ozokwazi ukwenza lo msebenzi. Right now, I am sure uyazibuza, you are asking yourself ukuthi what went wrong, why are they so angry Iran that bavula i-GoFundMe, and why is everyone supporting this? Kwenzakalani? It all began ngo-1953. Understand ukuthi isitha helped ukususa Iran's democratically elected prime minister, and isitha went as far as to install i-puppet yabo, someone that they can control, and Iran never forgave them for that. Understand ukuthi it's as deep as ukuthi there are certain sanctions that were targeting Iran at that time, and Iran lost as much as 150 billion, yes, and inflation yabashaya zafika ku-50-40% ilokhu iyanyuka ilokhu iyehla. Understand ukuthi i-currency yabo yalokhu iluza kuze kube manje i-currency yabo is nothing because of isitha. So uphumile umsebenzi, $40 million to anyone who can do it. And ilokhu iyakhula imali because more and more people are participating, more and more people bayafaka ukuthi le mali ilokhu increase so that someone will do umsebenzi. Yo, mali ngaka.